Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you and I have got the Indy Box. If you're new to the Indy Box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside their May box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. The Indy Box is a monthly subscription box that is based in the UK and only ships within the UK. The cost of the box is £25 and there's an additional £2.95 shipping on top. Inside you'll find a minimum of 5 products ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup, beauty tools and accessories, plus they add in the odd freebie now and again as well. They say that the Indy Box allows you to support independent businesses whilst discovering brand new favourites, and they work with over 70 independent brands. The box goes live to order from the 1st of every month onwards, and each box is guaranteed to have a minimum value of £50. Now this box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. They have given me a discount code. It's not affiliated, I don't receive anything, but you'll see it up on the screen and also down in my description, and that's Diary10, and that will entitle you to receive 10% off your first box. All details related to the website and the subscription and the code you'll find down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So if I've missed anything out, please ask away, but let's get on to showing you what's inside their May box. So inside got a little card here and it just says thank you for your purchase, and this is how it's packed. And we've got a little leaflet here and it details everything about the products inside this box, so I'm able to refer to that as we go along. And I'll just give you a sneak peek of the products. Okay, starting off with products for your hair, we have got a shampoo and conditioner set here for normal and dry hair, and this is by the brand eCooking, and it's repair shampoo, rebuilding and nourishing, and we've got here 250 mils. We've got enzymes and molecules repair conditioner, color complex UV protection, and again 250 mils. So full size shampoo and conditioner there. I love it when they put a shampoo and a conditioner in a box, and especially this size as well. Now I'm currently using Nioxin for my hair in the hope that it will encourage my hair to grow better. So I'm going to hide these for now because I don't want the kids to use these. Squirt it. Oh, that is so nice. That is so nice. Yeah, I love that. Okay. The recommended retail price for the shampoo is £19 and £19 for the conditioner. So the shampoo, it's lightweight with a smooth, luxurious texture. The shampoo is able to drift through your locks, avoiding the risk of leaving them feeling stripped of natural oils. Peptides promote thicker, more volumized hair. Amino acids assist with a look of natural radiance, helping to maintain the brightness of coloured hair, reducing the chance of fading and dullness. Active Capiguard creates a wonderful veil of protection, shielding your hair from damage effects of harsh external aggressors. The look of split ends and flyaways are gently reduced, allowing you to embrace the appearance of gloss and shine. So that's the shampoo. The conditioner then, ideal for breakage prone tresses. This vegan conditioner wraps every strand in a strengthening veil. Enriched with result driven ingredients, the formula offers long lasting moisture for up to 72 hours. Founded on a kitchen table in Denmark, Tina took matters into her own hands and started to create her own skincare brand with this vision of making organic and natural products that care for you and the environment. That's one thing I love about the subscription box, is at the end of all the descriptions it gives you a bit of background information about the brands that are featured. So yeah, I didn't know that about eCooking, and I've received quite a few of the products and samples in different boxes. So yeah, so we got a shampoo and conditioner set there. Next we have got Flo Beauty Co everything oil, 100 mils here, vegan and cruelty free. So it's an everything beauty oil. Okay. The recommended retail price for this oil is £15. It's a deeply nourishing oil that is formulated to use on hair, face, body, feet, hands, cuticles and all other dry areas. Everything oil can be used on its own as a daily moisturiser or mixed into your routine as a booster. Founded by Florence, she sources ingredients from the best suppliers in the world, break down their properties and allow you to decide where they best fit in your beauty regime. Let's have a go. Have a go. Let's try it out, I meant. So you got scent? Oh, lemons. Or even oranges. What's in here? There is sweet, yeah, orange sweet oil, citrus, grapefruit oil, papaya. Oh, it is stunning. But I'll give that a go and see what that is like. It smells absolutely gorgeous. Next, we got a product by Genie, and this is Genie in a bottle. Pure organic rose water from 100% distilled Damascena rose grown in Kazanlak Valley in Bulgaria. And we have got here a 50 mils. Okay, before I smell it, spray it, smell it, same thing. I will just read about it. So the recommended retail price is £15, and it's a spray with pure organic rose water with no additives in. The essential oil from Damascena rose has more than 300 active agents in it. It is also the most sought after oils for its scent, purity and array of healing benefits. Undiluted rose water is quite rare, and it's the most powerful moisturizer which seals hydration into the skin. Genie in a Bottle is founded by Laura and Antonia, two women with a mission to share the magic of the Bulgarian rose with the world. Each year they join the May Rose Festival in Bulgaria's famous Rose Valley, helping gather the roses used in their products. Okay, now I don't like the scent of rose, and I'm sure this type of rose is the one I'm not that keen on. I'm smelling the citrusy oil. It is got a rosy smell to it, but it's not like, I'd be the first one to say if it was horrible. It's not. It's quite a subtle rosy smell. It's not like an old perfumey ancient type of rosy smell, you know? No, that's okay actually. It just feels so nice. Yeah, it feels nice. So you've got pure rose water spray there. And then lastly, we have got This Way by, and I can't read that, by John or Julie Pohlman. It is teeny tiny writing. for your glowing face. And this is SPF 35. No, still can't read it there. With a touch of aloe vera gel and jojoba oil and sweet almond oil. And we've got 15 mils here. This SPF is worth £18.50. Discover the way natural sunscreens, which are made in Spain. Smooth and easy natural ingredients. It's a face cream with an SPF 35. It has 98.33% natural ingredients, and the last 1.67% are active ingredients to make this product extra special. The cream is tinted, oh lovely, and it adapts to your skin tone when applying. Julie Pallison, I was nearly there, sorry it's not John, it's Julie. Established This Way in 2014, This Way is a travel blog where fashion meets travels and a healthy lifestyle, which all reflects Julie's life. Julie travels the world while modelling. On her adventures, she felt she was missing a few travel necessities to make her journey more comfortable and beneficial to her skin. Thus, This Way product line was born. I love the sound of this. So yeah, it's slightly tinted. It has more of a cool tone to it, and it is leaving an almost pearlescent sheen to my skin. I'm not sure how that would adapt on darker skin tones, but it feels absolutely amazing, and the colour is perfect for me. Yeah, I'm really excited to give that a go, see what that's like on my face. Okay, so those are all the products inside this month's Indy Box. I'll just gather them all up and then I'll add them all up and I'll be back. So these are the products inside this month's Indy Box. The cost of the box is £25. The value of these products come in at around £86. I'm going to be putting these aside until I've used up my Nioxin and see if that is actually working for my hair or not. I can't wait to try the SPF cream. Perfect. It'd be nice if it was SPF 50, but for around here, day to day, then that's fine for me. 35 is fine. Yeah, the spray as well, not keen on the smell, but it's not really that strong. I can't, you know, it's not like a perfume, even though I've sprayed it all over me. It's not like a perfume. It's not a lingering, strong, rosy smell. It feels so refreshing. And yeah, I have read about the health benefits from rose water. So I am looking forward to keeping that in my day-to-day, you know, beauty grabs then. And yeah, this oil, and oil is always handy. I do have quite a few different oils now, but this one, it smells stunning. Just smells of everything I love. Fruity, citrus, grapefruit, lemon, papaya orange. It's really, really lovely. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you subscribe to the Indy Box, or are you watching this for the first time wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.